What's up guys, Salimify here. Welcome to my channel. It's been so long to see you guys. I was like very busy. I had other tasks to do. And yeah, today we are making an unboxing video of Lenovo Legion M200, which is a gaming mouse, very budget friendly option. And it is like 2400 DPI, which is decent for the not so many big like monitors. Like if you have a, let's say, full HD monitor, which it's going to be decent one. It has six buttons. One is for changing DPI and one is for scrolling, which is the wheel. It's called button extra because of the design, and it has two like left click, right click, and the two sides buttons for other shortcut stuff you want to include. And it has like random lights. I used this mouse before, and now like I put in the box and making an unboxing video because it was like staying at me for a long time. And yeah, in here it has a like chest opening type of box, and this is the user manual. And this is like if you're planning to buy something very cheap and like buy something very good for value, I guess you can buy this, or maybe you can pay a little more money to buy Logitech mouses because they have also good value for money. Anyway, I bought this because it is like good, like going great with my Legion laptops. And there is also other model, Legion M500, I believe, which is like more. It has more features, more buttons, and more, I believe, controllable styles. But I bought this because it was the like budget-friendly option. Anyway, I'm trying to open it. It is like kind of struggle. And yeah, this is like for I don't recommend you if you don't have a mouse pad or something like that. Don't use it on the like let's say not uh, like smooth surface because it will scratch the sensitivity of the mouse if you don't use a smooth surface. And yeah, I'm trying to open the plastic that is covering the mouse with it, and they have this cable with usually all the Lenovo Legion has this like thing that is like instead of using another extra plastic material to make the cables like together, they have their own style. I like this one because like you can use it or you can just put it to trash. It's up to you. Anyway, yeah, I opened with my one hand and I had to skip that video because it takes a little bit much time. And yeah, I am opening, hopefully. Okay, and this is only an unboxing video. I already used this mouse and it was kind of decent. Now, if you guys want me to probably test this mouse's sensitivity in my laptop, I can make a maybe recording for that. And yeah, other than that, if you don't want to see, just say it in the comments, and yeah, that would do the trick. And yeah, thanks guys for supporting my channel, and please continue to hit and like, subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot for like developing my content and other stuff. And yeah, these are the side buttons, and there are two in the middle, which is the middle mouse button for scrolling, and you can click the middle mouse button. And yeah, this is the like information of the mouse. And there is this DPI. I think there are four profiles in the DPI. When I clicked it, it was like soft, softer, hard, and harder. Like the harder one is like you are scrolling so much, and the softer one was the one that you are like scrolling like yeah, using a little bit, and it is like going to entire screen, which is really good for like larger monitors. And yeah, this was the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.